Hello friends, welcome to EduTech Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to see 100 most important GK questions which are asked in competitive exams. Please like, share, subscribe. Question number 1. Which compound in LPG gives its smell on leakage? Answer: ethyl mercaptan. Question number 2. Which freedom fighter introduced Western education? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 3. Which is the second longest river of India? Answer: Godavari. Question number 4. India's border is the longest with which nation? Answer: Bangladesh. Question number 5. When did Indian Mars mission start? Answer: September 24, 2014. Question number 6. If the temperature of body decreases, this condition is called? Answer: hypothalamus. Question number 7. Where is the Suez Canal located? Answer: Egypt. Question number 8. What is graphene? Answer: allotrope of carbon. Question number 9. Radar full form? Answer: radio detection and ranging. Question number 10. What is umami? Answer: savory taste. Question number 11. Who won the most Grand Slams in men tennis? Answer: Roger Federer. Question number 12. Which river flows through Karnataka? Answer: Kaveri. Question number 13. Who is known as father of geometry? Answer: Euclid. Question number 14. Lemur are found in? Answer: Madagascar. Question number 15. Chemical name of baking soda? Answer: sodium bicarbonate. Question number 16. Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable? Answer: a fruit. Question number 17. SPM full form in science? Answer: suspended particulate matter. Question number 18. Tallest building in the world? Answer: Burj Khalifa. Question number 19. Who gives oath to the president? Answer: Chief Justice of India. Question number 20. Chief Justice of India retirement age? Answer: 65 years. Question number 21. Chandrasekhar limit is applied to? Answer: mass. Question number 22. Which state is known as Kamarupa? Answer: Assam. Question number 23. Which Indian king used naval power to conquer ports of East Asia? Answer: Rajendra Chola. Question number 24. Where is the island of Seychelles located? Answer: Indian Ocean. Question number 25. What are the effects of greenhouse gases? Answer: global warming. Question number 26. Largest non-polar desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert. Question number 27. Where was paper invented? Answer: in China. Question number 28. Where is UNESCO headquarters? Answer: in Paris, France. Question number 29. What is the name of Thailand currency? Answer: Thai baht. Question number 30. When was RBI founded? Answer: in 1935. Question number 31. Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger related to which company? Answer: Wikipedia. Question number 32. When did Quit India movement started? Answer: 8 August 1942. Question number 33. What is Interpol headquarters? Answer: Lyon, France. Question number 34. When do we celebrate Environment Day? Answer: 5th June. Question number 35. Smallest bone in human body? Answer: stapes. Question number 36. Subhash Chandra Bose's father's name? Answer: Janakinath Bose. Question number 37. National song of India written by? Answer: Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 38. Where do we find Kunchikal Falls? Answer: in Karnataka. Question number 39. Which organ that can grow and regenerate? Answer: liver. Question number 40. Last Mughal emperor? Answer: Bahadur Shah Zafar. Question number 41. Pollination by wind is called? Answer: anemophily or wind pollination. Question number 42. Brightest star in our sky? Answer: Sirius A. Question number 43. Mangalyaan launched from which place? Answer: Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 44. A deep crack in glacier is called? Answer: crevasses. Question number 45. Frontier Gandhi is known as? Answer: Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 46. What element is always present in an organic compound? Answer: carbon. Question number 47. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Answer: Lake Baikal. Question number 48. Who founded Din-e-Ilahi? Answer: Mughal Emperor Akbar. Question number 49. Queensberry is associated to which sports? Answer: modern boxing. Question number 50. Which country max time won FIFA World Cup? Answer: Brazil. Question number 51. New name of Bharatpur National Park? Answer: Keoladio National Park. Question number 52. Krishna River originated from which state? Answer: Maharashtra. Question number 53. Full form of LAN? Answer: Local Area Network. Question number 54. Evolution theory is given by? Answer: Darwin. Question number 55. First Olympic medal winner? Answer: Norman Pritchard. Question number 56. First Dada Saheb Phalke Award winner? Answer: Devika Rani. Question number 57. Indian Institute of Science is located in? Answer: Karnataka. Question number 58. Thomas Cup related to? Answer: badminton. Question number 59. Miss Universe 2019? Answer: Josibini Tunzi, South Africa. Question number 60. Other names of Chanakya? Answer: विष्णुगुप्ता और कौटिल्या? क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, ONGC हेडक्वार्टर? आंसर उत्तराखंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 62, विच सिटी ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैव हाई पॉपुलेशन? आंसर सिडनी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63, टाइटैनिक शिप बिलोंग्स टू विच कंट्री? आंसर UK. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64, द बर्ड विच कैन फ्लाई बैकवर्ड? आंसर हमिंग बर्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, विच रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम वेस्टर्न घाट? आंसर कावेरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 66, एनर्जी ऑफ सन बाय विच प्रोसेस? आंसर बाय न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 67, हु इन्वेंटेड ब्रह्मो समाज? आंसर राजा राम मोहन राय. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68, एलिफेंटा केव सिचुएटेड इन? आंसर रायगढ़ महाराष्ट्र. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69, अर्थ वाटर साइकिल पावर्ड बाय? आंसर सन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70, इंटरनेशनल योगा डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन? आंसर June 21st. क्वेश्चन नंबर 71, ओल्डेस्ट डैम ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर कलानाई डैम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 72, नंबर ऑफ प्लेयर्स इन खो खो गेम? आंसर 9 players. क्वेश्चन नंबर 73, फर्स्ट हॉकी प्लेयर टू गेट पद्मश्री? आंसर दिलीप ठिरके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 74, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ लैंड एरिया? आंसर कनाडा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 75, नंबर ऑफ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर 11. क्वेश्चन नंबर 76, अजंता एंड एलोरा केव्स इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? आंसर महाराष्ट्र. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77, स्टडी ऑफ बर्ड्स इज कॉल्ड? आंसर ऑर्निथोलॉजी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 78, ग्रुप ऑफ डॉल्फिन्स इज कॉल्ड? आंसर पॉड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79, पोलियो वैक्सीन इज डेवलप्ड बाय? आंसर जॉनस साल्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80, नेम ऑफ डॉग हु फर्स्ट गोज टू स्पेस? आंसर लाइका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 81, फादर ऑफ स्पेस रिसर्च इन इंडिया? आंसर विक्रम साराभाई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 82, व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट प्लैनेट इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम? आंसर मर्क्यूरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 83, बुद्धा अटेंड एनलाइटमेंट एट? आंसर बोध गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 84, फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ फ्री इंडिया? आंसर सी राजागोपालचारी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 85, इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू डिटेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट अंडर वाटर? आंसर सोनार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86, फर्स्ट लोकसभा स्पीकर? आंसर गणेश वासुदेव मावलंकर और GV मावलंकर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87, रॉयल एक्ट ईयर? आंसर 1919. क्वेश्चन नंबर 88, हु गेव द स्लोगन डू और डाई? आंसर महात्मा गांधी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 89, when did Indian Constitution came into amendment? Answer 1951. Question number 90, what is the name of horse of Maharana Pratap? Answer Chetak. Question number 91, Karnam Maleshwari related to which game? Answer weightlifting. Question number 92. Golden Temple of Dambela is present in? Answer, Sri Lanka. Question number 93. What is the capital of Cyprus? Answer, Nicosia. Question number 94. First satellite launched to space? Answer, Sputnik 1. Question number 95. Mrinalini Sarabhai is related to? Answer, dance. Question number 96. Konark temple was built by? Answer, King Narasimha Dev 1. Question number 97. Smallest continent of the world? Answer, Australia. Question number 98. Who discovered penicillin? Answer, Alexander Fleming. Question number 99. Which boxer is known as Real Deal? Answer, Evander Holyfield. Last question, question number 100. Asif Ali hoisted flag in which movement? Answer, Quit India movement. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, EduTech, Learn and Grow. Please support. Thank you. Please share.